Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to avail coupon on AliExpress. Also I wonder why you want to know how to avail coupon on AliExpress. Maybe because you want a discount on the product so you want to avail a coupon, or maybe you have heard from someone else that the coupons are available on the some products and you can avail it, so you want to give it a try so that you could save a little cost, or it could be any other reason for you to avail coupon on AliExpress. Whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the AliExpress, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play or App Store. And once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the AliExpress to open it. So once the app gets open, first it will show you an ad. After that it will show you some kind of different promotions, so you can skip that, and after that you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. There are a lot of products available on the screen. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom and at the top of the screen. So from all these products and options, what we have to do is that we have to find those products on which coupon or discounts are available. The coupon or discounts are not available on every product. There are few products on which you can avail the coupon and discounts. So if you want to avail any kind of coupon, you have to search for that product, and once we open that product we will get to know if there is any coupon available or not. If there is no coupon available, then we can't do anything. We have to purchase it in its real price. Otherwise, if any coupon available, so you can avail it. So here, once I have opened this product, we have to go down, and there you can see we don't have any option through which we can avail coupon. Therefore we have to skip this product and we have to look for another product. So for that, just simply look for the interest of your things on the app, and once you find the product of your interest, just simply tap onto it and that product will open. There you will see its name and different description and stuff, and there you have to look for the option discounts and coupon. Unfortunately, we again don't couldn't find any kind of coupon, therefore we have to again search for another product. Like, I have opened this, and once I get down, there you can see we have coupons available. So this is the option which says discounts and coupons. With the help of that, you can avail coupon. So the coupon has some kind of restrictions, or you could say limitation, so you have to get that in mind. You have to read the description of that coupon, and once you read that, you can avail that. You just have to simply tap onto that coupon and that will be availed by you. So here we have only 15% discount coupon. Likewise, on the other products, the coupon rate will be different based on what the seller has put there. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can avail coupon on AliExpress. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.